curious about the world are the things you'd like to know. You don't need a lab to see that science is fab with Molly's Science Show.
Do you want to be a scientist? You can! Today, Molly will show you one of her favourite science experiments to try at home. First, ask an adult for help with setting up and conducting your experiments. Make sure you have a clear and covered area to work with, gloves, and eye protection. Today's experiment is magic moving water. For this experiment, you will need a plate, some water, ground black pepper, and dish soap. Fill the plate with water and top with a good amount of black pepper. Touch the middle of the water and see what happens. The water and black pepper don't really move. Nothing exciting happens. Yet. Now, put a dot of dish soap on the tip of your finger and try touching the middle of the plate again. The black pepper should all move quickly away from your fingertip towards the edge of the plate. This happens because pepper is hydrophobic, which means it doesn't mix or dissolve in water. The water has high surface tension because water molecules are highly attracted to each other, so this keeps the pepper afloat. Adding the soap breaks the surface tension, causing the water molecules to spread out and take the pepper with them.